This video provides a brief overview of setting graph preferences in the Syndeia Web Dashboard. Starting in Syndeia Release 3.3, the Web Dashboard has offered visualizations of the Syndeia Cloud Graph. Syndeia 3.4 provides a second visualization option, the Digital Thread Explorer. These visualizations include user-configurable preferences for layout styles, colors, and other options. In Syndeia 3.4, these settings only persist during the Web Dashboard session. They will revert to default if the session is closed and reopened. We will start with the Digital Thread Explorer. Here we are showing several levels of hierarchical relations between JAMA requirements. We click on the pen icon in the upper right corner to open the Graph Display Preferences window. The first choice is a pull-down menu of layout options. The current selection is Tree, a left-to-right arrangement of outgoing relations. Clay layouts are very similar in many cases, but accommodate hierarchies that are not simple trees. Changing to Grid arranges the nodes in a rectangular grid. Note that this can cause relations to overlap. A circle layout minimizes overlap. Circle and grid tend to work better when many different models are involved, as we will see later, but the layout choice is the user's. There is a default color coding for the node types, but it may be modified. To change a node color, select it, then go down to the Color and Size section. Click on one of the standard colors, and the node color for all nodes from that repository type changes. Click on the Color Custom swatch to show a small custom palette. The size of the node may be changed with 3 settings. Finally, the user has a choice of labels for the nodes and edges. Default is Name, but either may be changed to External Key. Unlike Name, External Key is unique within the repository. In the Graph Queries window, the preferences are slightly different. Here the display shows all the relations in one Syndeia project involving 7 different models. As described in video 18.1, the Syndeia Cloud schema includes 4 node types and 3 edge types. The Digital Thread Explorer shows only artifacts and relations, but graph queries can display all. We can hide those we don't want to display by unchecking the boxes next to them. If we select Node Label at top, we can change color and size for any of the 4 node types. We can set the color and line thickness for the edge types in the same way. In this case, it is not particularly helpful, since all the nodes in our display represent artifacts, even though they reside in 7 different models. None of these display preferences affects the graph data, so the user may experiment freely. Check the Confluence documentation for changes and improvements.